What if I told you there is a simple spray that can stop breakage, boost growth, and leave your hair soft and shiny using ingredients you already have at home? This DIY hairspray is all natural, budget friendly, and is perfect for both natural hair and dreadlocks. It hydrates, strengthens, and promotes healthy hair growth without harsh chemicals. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Joyce Queen, your go-to-go for all things hair care. First, here is my fenugreek seeds. They are packed with protein and vitamins that strengthens your hair from the roots and encourages new growth. And here is my rosemary. Rosemary is amazing for improving scalp circulation and preventing hair loss. When we combine it with fenugreek seeds, you get a very effective natural treatment for your hair. Now, I will take a clean jar and measure some fenugreek seeds with my spoon, then add my dry rosemary leaves. You can use more or less depending on how much spray you want to make. Next, I will pour in clean water until it covers the ingredients. Let it infuse for about 24 hours so all the goodness can be released into the water. After it's fully infused, I strain the mixture to get my hairspray. This spray is packed with benefits. It stimulates hair growth, strengthens your roots, reduces shedding, improves scalp circulation, and keeps your hair healthy and shiny, all with natural ingredients. Now I will transfer it into my spray bottle. I like to spray generously, making sure every part is covered. As you spray, take your time to massage your scalp, even if it's just for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps stimulate blood flow and allows the nutrients to work better. Don't give up if you don't see instant results. Every spray, every massage, every bit of care you give your hair is an investment in its beauty. You are doing amazing and your hair will thank you for it. The best part, you can use this spray on natural hair, braids, twists, dreadlocks, or even under a wig to keep your hair healthy. Remember, consistency is key. If you use it regularly, you will start noticing softer hair, less shedding, and healthier growth over time. that, I seal in moisture with my homemade aloe vera oil. This keeps my hair hydrated, nourished and shiny. If you do like how I made this aloe vera oil, I have a full tutorial on my channel. I will leave the link in this video's description so you can check it out after washing. Try this spray and be consistent for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Then come back and tell me your results in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment to let me know you were here. And hit the subscribe button so we can grow our hair together naturally. Thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!